season of StagTV. I'm Faith Patterson.
I'm Danette March, and things are going to look a little different if you haven't already noticed.
But we might as well get right into the news.
Today we'll be discussing new staff positions, an overview of this season of StagTV and the coronavirus restrictions,
as well as a word from our IT guy about computers, management, and the new hotspot program. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Mr. Carlson is now in the library as the freshman advisor.
Demke is now an online-only teacher, and she's also in the library.
Ms. Phillips is new to the school as an English teacher.
Snyder has moved up and become the assistant principal.
Mr. Stamps is the new athletic director.
Mr. Poland is the counselor for 9th and 11th grade.
Ms. Bickley is the counselor for 10th and 12th grade.
Deputy Moffett is new this year.
Like everything else, StagTV has been impacted by the coronavirus rules. We still promise to put out quality content. It'll just be on an unpredictable schedule.
As COVID-19 continues to spread, regulations are being enforced across Deer Park High School. Make sure you have your orange slip and your mask, as these are essential. While no new modifications are being made that we know of, this could change if a case arises, so don't be that kind of person. Now let's hand things off to our IT guy.
Hi everyone. In case we have not met, I'm Ted Brown, IS Specialist, Theater Manager, and Broadcast Production Advisor for the high school. I'm the guy that takes care of all the computers, Chromebooks, and all the tech stuff around here. I wanted to address a couple of things that are going on this year in hopes of making things go as smoothly as possible for all of us. At the beginning of the year, most of you got a Chromebook to use at home and here at school. If you run into a problem with it, like something is broken, the power cord doesn't work, or the screen's cracked, bring it over to me in the production room and I will help you get it taken care of. The production room is A104, or next to the theater entrance on the north side of the common. Speaking of Chromebooks, I wanted to talk a little bit about taking care of your device. Ventilation is the most important for making these devices last as long as possible. Use them on a flat surface that is free from dust and debris and blanket. Many of you use them while laying on your bed or on the sofa or the floor. That's fine. Make sure that if you are using it in this fashion, put it on a hard surface, like a book or something like that. Additionally, I've seen a couple of devices laying on the floor in high traffic areas, like in the commons or in a hallway. This could result in somebody stepping on it, or a chair getting placed on it, or something like that. Make sure to lean it up against a wall or a table leg when it's charging. This will reduce the chance of damage. Also, make sure that you keep it in a safe, well-ventilated place while you're charging. Do not put it in a backpack or other enclosed spaces while charging. Also, when you are getting ready to charge it, or when you're done charging it, take care in working with the cord. Over time, and if improperly used, the cord can break at the weak points and short out. Gently plug and unplug the cord into the device. As the saying goes, if you have to force it, you're doing something wrong. Every once in a while, we forget things. If that ever happens with your Chromebook, head down to my room and I'll work with you to get a loaner for the day. You'll need to return it at the end of the day so that it is available for the next person who happens to forget their Chromebook. Over time, cleaning becomes important. Studies show that keyboards are some of the most dirtiest places in the home, worse than the toilet sometimes. I would suggest cleaning it from time to time. There are specific guidelines on how to clean these Chromebooks, and they must be followed very carefully or you will destroy the device. Isopropyl or rubbing alcohol with a strength of at least 70% is needed to clean and disinfect the device. Do not use anything else. Place the alcohol on a cotton disposable cloth, like the ones used for facial cleaning. Put just enough to moisten the cloth and then wipe it on the device. Do not let the liquid drip on the device at any time. Wipe down the entire device and wait for it to dry. Then, start it up and use it as usual. You should clean the device every couple of months, more if you have a cold or the flu. A good suggestion is to do it every advisory schedule. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to see me. Next, I want to talk about internet access. As some of you may know, the district has a hotspot program available to you. If you have poor to no internet access at home, have a guardian contact me at the school to inquire about this program. They will need to come to the school and fill out some paperwork. We have a limited quantity of units, so get one sooner than later. And if you qualify, a hotspot should be available. These devices are provided by T-Mobile, so be sure to see if you can get a decent cell signal at your house, as these devices use cellular networks to connect. If you or your guardian has any questions, please let me know. Finally, I know that some of you are bringing your own devices to school. If you have any issues getting connected to the school network, please come down to production and I'll assist you in getting connected. Typically, this will involve setting up your device with our firewall system, installing a security certificate, and then making sure it all works. Some of you have user restrictions on your computer, so I'll need to have permission from the owner of the device to install these features. This will include needing an administrator username and password. The process takes about 5 minutes. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to come down and talk to me. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.
This has been StagTV. I'm Faith Patterson.
And I'm Danette March. Just a reminder, always wear your mask. Stay 6 feet apart, utilize hand sanitizer. Don't touch your face, nose, mouth, even if you have a bad itch. If you experience any symptoms, please stay home.